Now I am going to explain Python functions. We can define function def my function print hello from function. Then we can call this function my function. Then we can run python functions.py, then hello from function. Here we can pass arguments. Here we can pass, then we can print then it will print first name Hasita. We can pass multiple arguments. Just like this. Then those can be fetched by using a tuple. Then we can print the tuple. We can print second item. Second means 0, 1, then Kushan will print. Just like this. Here we can add keyword to argument. Just like this. Then this will be cached by using dictionary. Then we can print child 2, then first name Kushan. If we want to print child 3, we can write this. Here we can, here there is name, then we will print Sita, then first name, then this is working. We can add a default value. If there is no parameter is passed, then default value is here. Default value will be printed. Here we can return something. Then if we print the function, return will be printed here. We can assign that return to a variable 2. Then we can use that variable. I think you understand Python functions. Please subscribe my channel.